I want to make sure that everybody's aware of this. We use a 4-inch rubber gasket. And the reason why you want to use this, you don't want your drainage stone to fall into the city storm drain or your lift station or your sump pump pit. You want to seal it tight with this 4x4 rubber gasket. This works dynamite. I've tried all kinds of things over the years, and nothing beats a nice fit like this. We use a 5-inch hole saw, and if you're having a little trouble with it, you can always put a little dish soap on it, but we like to put them in dry. You can see that we have one of our lift stations, 5-footer, and we're tying in the High Octane. We don't want the dirt to go missing where you end up. What happens is as dirt falls in, the sump pump takes your dirt out the discharge end, and you end up with sinkholes around your sump pump pit or your city storm drain as well. So these things are dynamite, great fit, just love them. You don't have to wait for nothing to dry, just keep on working. So I wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that. I'll show you another application, and it was on some infrastructure the city put in. We ran across a plastic basin. We cored it with a 5-inch. Okay, so don't ever go that high. So there was a drain we ripped out that wasn't low enough. So there's a couple points here. I like that barbed 4-inch. We call it the cone. And then we take our PVC to corrugated coupler. And that is a dynamite hookup. And we hooked our High Octane to that. And we tile taped that hole shut because that was too shallow of a yard drain. All right, guys, until next time, let's all work hard to do it right the first time. We're going to keep it simple. You DIYers, stay tuned for more High Octane.